Assalamu alaikum everyone. So Luna Classic is still inside the falling wedge and we are struggling to get a break, but eventually we may start to see a break for Luna Classic. You know, we're having a bullish divergence here. Yesterday I talked about the falling wedge when we were up at 14,000. You actually dropped a little bit more to the 13,400. Now you're pumping back up. We might still see another push down like this, but eventually until 9th of January we should get our answer. So 7 more days, and within the next 7 days we get something huge. And I think that's all in this video. We don't even really need to stretch it that long at the moment. I'm pretty sure you guys get busy and stuff. So yeah, the channel's purpose is to just make quick videos, and these quick videos are just pretty much the summary of hours that I've been putting in. So make sure you're following the channel if you need these updates. And yes, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and probably another 5th move down if you have to go down, and just wait for the for the break. If you do get this next move down, you may still get lucky to buy it down there at the support and eventually break above, and you have an opportunity. If you do get an entry down here, that's going to be 52%. If you do break above and retest the trend line, that's another 43%. Either way, the pattern is a bullish pattern, and it makes sense because you're coming from the top, right? When you come from the top and you start to make a falling wedge, that is a reversal pattern to start to push back up one more time. And I kind of have a feeling we're going to get that push back to the upside, and that's also probably the 5th wave all the way up to 30,000 probably, is just my opinion. And that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.